I'm installing the Kwikset 264 Contemporary Electronic Deadbolt. Begin by unboxing the parts and laying them out for easy access. This comes with a parts list that I will use to identify each piece as I go along. This electronic lock will replace the manual deadbolt on my exterior door to my garage. Begin dismantling the old lock by removing the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. This will release the interior piece from the exterior piece. Be sure to hold both sides of the lock with one hand so they don't fall to the ground when taking the screws out. Next, take out the latch by removing its two screws on the latch face. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to accomplish this task. Once the screws are out, you simply pull the latch from the door. Now measure to confirm that the hole in the door edge is 1 inch in diameter and to confirm that the door is either 1 3/8 inch or 1 3/4 inch thick. Next, adjust the new latch to where the slotted hole is in the center of the hole on the door. To do this, twist the latch face to either reduce or expand the length of the latch to fit your dimensions. Now insert the latch in this manner. If the new faceplate doesn't match the shape of the recessed area, you will need to either change out the faceplate to one that matches, or mark around the perimeter of the new faceplate and chisel out the recess for fit. Return the new latch to the hole and secure into place using the two latch screws. Be careful not to over-tighten and strip out the hole. Next, open the door to access the exterior side. Measure the diameter of the hole in the door. This one is 2 1/8 inch in diameter, which is the size that this lock will fit without needing adjustments. For locks with 1 1/2 inch diameter hole, the back side of the exterior assembly will need to be modified for it to fit. Here are the instructions to follow. Next, install the cylinder into the exterior assembly in this manner. When looking at the back side, you will see there's a torque blade and a cable. With the latch fully retracted, install the assembly into the hole. Send the cable below the latch and insert the torque blade through the latch slot in the horizontal position. Here's a view from the other side to show the proper positioning. Next, take the interior mounting plate and install it by sending the torque blade through the center hole and the cable through the bottom hole. Then, using the supplied screws, secure loosely into place by threading them into the back of the exterior assembly in this manner. Once again, do not over-tighten. Next, straighten the exterior assembly and finish tightening the screws while holding it in place. Next, install the interior assembly. Remove the battery cover in this manner and load in 4 AA batteries. Now locate the reset button. Then press and hold for 5 seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. The interior assembly is now ready to install. Next, take the plug ends of each wire and align the colored edges. Then connect them together. With the turn piece in the 45-degree position, install onto the horizontal torque blade while tucking the wires out of the way. Then secure into place using the supplied screws. Be sure not to over-tighten, you do not want to damage the threads. Finally, reinstall the battery cover and test the function of the lock on the inside and using the key on the outside. Next, open the door and make sure it's unlocked. Enter the following code to teach the lock the orientation of the door. Press 0 4 times. Then press Kwikset. You will hear 1 beep. Then press 0 and then Kwikset. The lock should come in and out. You can now lock the door by simply pushing the Kwikset button. Unlock the door by putting the default code in, which is 1 2 3 4, and then hit the Kwikset button. It is recommended that you replace the default code with your own code. Use the following scanned-in instructions for the quick setup and additional programming features.